So here we're going to use the draw a dump command to quickly create a waste dump that fits within a certain footprint. So I'm going to load up a base topography here, and I've got a polyline that represents the footprint that I want the dump to lie within. So then we can go to dumps, create, draw a waste dump. So our crest elevation will say that it's at 150. Ultimately we're going to fit this dump to have a certain volume, but to start with we just want to fit it to within a footprint, and we can then come back and work out the elevation to give us that volume. So I'm going to just use a batter slopes of 2 to 1, 10 meters for my bench height and bench width, and my shell height I'll make it 80 meters. Now we can come through, choose our grid, and then we can start drawing our waste dump. So I'm not going to worry too much about getting my footprint precisely fitting for now, because we will come back and modify this once we've created that initial dump. So I'll just close that, tap the space bar. So it's created my dump, and now we've got our dynamic model over here. So because this is a dynamic model, we can now edit this crest line here, and we can then hopefully better fit the footprint. So I'm just going to start by So I'm just moving the points around just a little bit at a time. Tap the spacebar, and then that edit will be accepted, and we'll see the result of that. And so within a few minutes of kind of messing around here, dragging and dropping points around, we should hopefully be pretty close to fitting this footprint. So here I'm actually going to insert maybe a new point on the line. So I can do that in polyline, insert point on line. When I'm inserting a point, if I hold down my control and click and drag, that lets me insert and move a point at the same time. So then I'll just go back to moving some points around. So I could come through and refine this, for as long as I want to get the best fit for my waste dump as I need, but that's the process that we go through.